we need the gas? Is the gasket in there?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Look at our accelerator pump.
Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Magic.
I can hear it going.
That's a good sign.
Screws. These.
All of them.
All of them. All damn near. Get them all in. And then,
Thank you, Monica, for all these towels. This is, well, and they're white too. It's our housekeeper.
Oh.
So she gave us like bundles of these towels.
Oh wow.
And they've really made our life a lot easier.
Oh yeah, you can never have too many of these.
Then I'll finish putting the choke together.
Yeah.
And then we can get ready to put this on the car here.
Good deal. Amazing.
That's in a lot. That noise is in the background of a lot of my videos.
It is.
Like almost
Usually
all
it's in the background.
Some of the sparkling beverages.
No. Any more screws, boys? Yeah, I just have to make sure for how.
Those are the 4 different sizes.
Yeah, they're fine. Give me that one. I need to put one in here.
So there's 3.
Alright, I'm gonna trade this. Because standing on that doesn't work so hot for this.
Go. Let's run these babies in.
Want an air grabber?
Right? That'd make life easy.
Snap.
Oops. Yep. That's why we're not doing that.
How tight? Just
Just a
finger.
little. Just a
One
little.
more finger.
A hair past snug.
Do you want to smoke more? All that some more with that rest of it?
Do what?
Yeah, all the tools on the umbrella cart.
Well, we gotta
We
put
might
this
need some of
back
those because we
together.
gotta put it all back together. Thank you though.
We will assemble.
Yeah, I think Scotty left some of the stuff that we needed out, didn't you say
He
that?
did. He
Yeah.
cleaned it. Put
Yeah,
it
he
in
cleaned
the-
everything. Thank you.
It doesn't feel like it's going in the season.
Luna, we're not doing that.
The 2 plugs there. Get the 2 little gaskets. Like that red gasket and that other one will be fine. Just seal it off. Right here's one too. This might look good. Wait, that one I can do here.
Oh, she's awful.
That doesn't fit.
I think she's fine.
Mhm.
But where is the plug for this? Okay.
Well,
I'm gonna put those 2 in the sides. Those are for.
God, but she ate late. But she ate late today. Yeah. But I mean, that's not.
You can look in there and check the fuel level.
I know.
No.
Who knows this feeling?
You got a gasket on there, Mike? Or you had one, I guess.
Makes sense.
Is there fuel pouring out? That's wrong.
Okay, so. Get them all in, get them all snug. Trying to think of screws. Alright, 4 jet.
Wow.
Quadra?
No.
Quadra
No.
Quadra means 4.
But not on this. This is a precursor.
You're gonna tighten those.
It's just as bad, if not worse. Remember, this guy goes here.
Bigger screwdriver.
Okay.
Smaller one. Just like that.
Now,
Bobby, you tighten those too.
here.
Okay, just snap.
Crank them down. Don't go crazy. Crank them down.
Tighten them to a strip and back them off half turn.
Think of last dying
philosophy.
breath. The Titanic's going down and they're trying to push Claire Danes off the piece of wood.
Hand me the 2 little clippies.
So tight springs.
Yeah. Let me see that clippies. Let's see
I'll
what-
be here. These are like,
Okay, goes
you
there.
can like make these.
Little
The
itty
other
bitty.
clippy goes in the thing.
Like I want to use this or different.
Isn't there a special tool for those?
Here,
For the
flyer.
little, they call them like the Jesus clip or whatever.
Yeah.
No, the Jesus clip goes here.
No, but isn't
Oh,
there
here's the Jesus clip.
isn't there a special tool for like
To install them.
I thought. Isn't there? What?
Yeah. For this one,
Luna.
For removing.
Oh my lord.
Put 'em on.
Jesus clip goes there. That's in. We need one clippy for here.
Give her a minty.
The same one that's
Have
spring
her
or
extra.
just the
See if
one
she'll
right
eat one of those. Don't, no trachea, just a minty.
One moment. One of those clips goes on the actual car.
You know, it's just like the silver squiggly one that you just used, or there's another one.
So this guy goes into here.
Should we take it?
Wing. It looks like a chicken wing.
Yeah, she's eating it.
Good. It's all about the treats.
Clippy.
Which one?
Probably one of these bastards here.
I gotta cut your hair tonight.
And then you
Not
guys
gonna
want
happen.
pliers.
Which is
This is just the old one.
What are you gonna use this car on?
Screwdriver. Hang on to those because we're gonna really need them. Okay, that's in, that's done, that's ready. Now, you can go to this side.
So we'll probably have to do a burnout there.
Yeah, this car better ride like a dream then.
Okay, there's our choke situated. This little bastard goes here. This guy goes here with this little spring. And it's home. We need a little gasket for this. Right here.
It's on the
Give me that.
No, inside the box.
On the round one.
Oh. There. This guy goes here. A little tension, right? You just want a little tension. Good. Okay, give me. There's 3 little clippies.
This?
Yeah, clippies and screws. Clippies and screws.
With these screws here?
Cookies and cream.
Clippies and cream, clippies and screws.
So when Brian pulled up in the Bonneville, Andre's outside and he was like, "There's so much mint in this color story. I just need like a chocolate chip mint or mint chocolate chip ice cream cone." He's so
Back it
funny.
up a little bit. We gotta pop it back up. No, it's a little- Yeah, right there.
How did you know it was his birthday, Bobby?
Facebook tells you everything.
That's why I don't
Are you
go
on
there.
Facebook? Are we Facebook friends?
I'm on there, but
Can I AM you?
no.
Do you want to do TikTok dances?
No.
TikTok dances.
Nope.
How about you?
No.
Becky, don't be in the mood.
Becky's grouchy. Becky's tired.
Who's grouchy?
Becky.
Who's Becky?
It's a story.
Because
Did you guys name him one day?
Yesterday.
Oh, you guys are laughing, so I can tell you both were involved.
I wasn't involved.
Oh, you weren't?
You were cheering it on.
Oh,
You were cheering on the
I
shenanigans.
tried not to laugh.
okay.
trying to be a friend.
Aw.
I also called him Pennywise at one point.
Oh boy.
So your new nickname is Becky?
Becky and Bubbles together.
Because I was drinking Trulies like a little bitch.
Oh. So
Crank it. Crank it, Paul.
I can't get this.
I got you.
Paul's like so tall and so like he's got wide shoulders. I can't. I know.
Okay, that's ready.
You should be standing here. I've got like a poor fan you.
Thing that flies around.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
Drone.
Look.
Or just put everything on a tripod and
Right.
the side of the table.
Is that good, I hope?
That looks pretty good. Okay.
How many
So-
extra parts do
Okay,
we have
so
that we
we've
don't
got-
need?
So definitely
No, no,
none
no.
of this.
We need that.
Okay.
Well, those are old
We
gaskets,
need a
right?
seal
These
for
are the
this.
old
Yeah,
There's a
those are
seal
old.
for
No,
this.
this is the
somewhere.
trouble with GM. All these extra parts.
Seal.
Somewhere there's a seal for this.
Is this a
Yeah.
That's it.
You figure out which ones are non-essential when the car runs without them.
Yep. That's a
the
fact.
beauty of a Mazda rotary. There's only like 6 parts. This one, it doesn't start.
Oh god.
No one wants a Mazda rotary.
Recorder. I remember a doctor I worked with, Bob, one that was like 20 years old, like 25,000 miles on it. I got the, and then the Apex seal went. I said, you know, that's about as long as an Apex seal would last.
No, the Mazda had the
Okay.
13 years.
Would you like to
You
put
would get
this
80 to 110,000
on the
miles.
car?
The thing that kills you
And then
is
you can set this
it's
on the
running
car.
perfectly and it's making more power.
fun.
And you stop at a 7-Eleven and you get them out and you turn the key and the seal popped and that's
Yay!
it. Engine's done. And you're like, but I drove in here.